again, I found Malta in London. This time, it's at a Sicilian restaurant in London. It's amazing.
Hello, today I'm finding another part of Malta in London. On my London trip, today I found a restaurant called Norma. It's recommended that you book for coming. The cook here is actually Maltese. They do Sicilian food, but with a Maltese touch. And the restaurant is called Norma. You find it in Charlotte Street in London. Let me just show you the menu. Of course, I recommend you go to the website to see any updated menu. So I'll now go inside. It's very nice. The ambience, the toilets, it's so beautiful and clean. Amazing. So the menu. Said there's a chef sitting here today, so I didn't inform them that I would be doing a YouTube video. So they're having some snacks now. I think some to order some snacks, probably Etna olives, Sicilian caponata, and spaghettini fritters, and parmesan sauce. That's what I'm trying to get, I think. Let's give snacks. See you later when the snacks are ready. So I decided to have spaghettini fritters, capocollo, red datterini, pecorino, cape berries, and some Etna olives, because last year I visited Etna, and you can find the video on my channel, and with some more videos which will be coming later from Catania. Anyway, okay, so the olives have arrived. These are Etna olives. They're great. Okay, so I'm going to add a portion of invisible chips, 0% fat and 100% charity. Buying a portion helps Hospitality Action to support UK hospitality workers and their families through ill health and hard times. Thanks for chipping in with chips. Okay, so now I'm going to try the olives. Let's try the olives. Careful. Starting with the olives. Good flavor, spicy. Very good. Beautiful Mount Etna. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You can see them. Camera so you can view them. Rodas di capocollo, red datterini, pecorino, and caper berries. Whereas that is the spaghettini fritters, spaghettini fritters and parmesan sauce. So this is the snack now.
Okay, so here's my summary of this restaurant review. Norma is an excellent restaurant. You have plates, dishes which are Sicilian with a touch of Maltese, so it's a nice combination. It's like a Mediterranean restaurant, but Sicilian and Maltese, a nice fusion. So I liked it. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. I recommend people do go there and try it. Now, just to remind you to subscribe if you're new, click the notification bell, and also share the video with your friends. But also, just a reminder, now you can also become a member of my channel. Besides being a subscriber, you can support the channel by being a member. You can also, instead of becoming a member on YouTube, if you prefer, you can also become a Patreon on the Patreon website. There's a link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye from Travel Malta.